This is, oh shit, where'd it go? Fuck. Fucking A. Alright, so today we're installing a drift knob right here onto a 246. Shout out to Mike for getting me the drift knob. Alright, so this is what you're gonna do. You just put that on. Boom. Drift knob. Now I can do mad skids. Alright, now on to the real tutorial. You're gonna wanna take this boot off. I'm gonna do that right now. Alright, so we finally got that bitch off. It took forever. I had to like WD-40 it or whatever. Just pull it off. It's kind of stuck or whatever. But right, so the next step you want to do, these things you want to try to prime out. There's two on each side. So the way this works is if it's down, you can pull it to do mad skids. And then if you want to use it, pull it up, and there you go. You got your e-brake again. Again, shout out to Mike for getting me the shift knob for my birthday. You can get them online. Ninjuku sells them. A ton of other websites sell them. eBay. Should be fine. It's only a couple dollars, so yeah, pick yourself up a drift knob to do skids. Oh man, installed that drift button. Now she's happy. Look at that.